Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the cable in a standard V-brake system, and I'm going to do it in less than 90 seconds. So, start the timer. First, you want to loosen the nut holding onto the existing cable, and you want to cut the cable close to where it goes into the noodle. Make sure you hold on to this. Now you want to get the cable out from the lever. If you get the channels correctly, you can pull the cable out of those, and then usually you have a cable running here or underneath. So, however yours is, take the cable out and pull the cable through. Add a couple of drops of oil. This isn't essential, but I like to do it. And then you just pop the new cable through until it comes out of the other side. Then by opening the lever, you can attach the barrel part of the cable. And now undo your barrel adjuster about 75% of its entire thread length. Reattach the dust cover, put the cable in between the nut and the clamp recess, and push the brake caliper arms both together firmly. You do the nut up, and if all has gone well, this wheel won't be turning. There we go, just what we want. Because now we can put in the barrel adjuster and it should be just right. Bang on, just what we wanted. Now you can cut the cable. You can add the end cap that should have come with the cable, and you are all done. And it really is that simple. Save your money, don't go to the bike shops, grow in confidence and learn how to maintain your own bike yourself. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and please do add a comment for any repair videos you want me to upload. But for now, take it easy, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.